In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from N26 to a bank account. Whether you're new to N26 or just need a refresher, this easy-to-follow guide will help you get your money where it needs to go. Transferring money is a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to grab your phone and open the N26 app. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. This ensures that you have access to all the features needed for transferring money. Once you're in, look for the Send Money option or navigate to the Transfer section of the app. This is where the magic starts. Now, you'll see a few different options, but for this tutorial, choose the one that lets you send money to a bank account. This is crucial because it ensures the funds are directed to the right place. Next, it's time to enter the recipient's information. You'll need their name and bank details such as their IBAN or account number. Make sure you have these details handy before you start. Entering the correct information is essential to avoid any hiccups along the way. With the recipient's details entered, you're ready to specify the amount you want to transfer. Be sure to double-check this number so you send exactly what you intend. At this point, you'll want to review all the details you've entered. This includes the recipient's information and the amount you're sending. Taking a moment to ensure everything is correct can save you from potential errors and issues later. After confirming that everything looks good, it's time to finalize the transaction. You'll be prompted to confirm the transfer using your PIN or biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or facial recognition. This step is all about security, making sure your money is safe and the transaction is legitimate. Once you've confirmed the transaction, your money will be on its way to the recipient's bank account. Depending on the banks involved and the time of day, it might take a little while for the funds to appear, but rest assured they're on their way. And that's it. This simple process is all it takes to transfer money from N26 to a bank account. Now you can manage your money transfers with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching and happy banking.